है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
And my partner name is and school name is Navbharat Highschool and Junior College Bharane. And this model name is plastic vending machine. Once this the plastic waste is dumped into an environment, it will not degrade. Instead, it will be eaten by marine animals, who then become poison. This means that the plastic water pollution will have a negative impact on our health of marine animals as well as humans who consume this animal. Our concept is when people dispose of plastic waste drinking water bottles in reverse vending machine, then we collect this waste and give it for recycling use. Otherwise, people throw this openly and is not good for our health, and it is also generates many diseases. We give a reward for your waste, and this way the machine is very easy to use. The bottle is placed in the machine and the coin gate is very well. So will appeal come with us and make India clean. Don't throw bottles anywhere and only use this vending machine.